Hello dear viewers, I'm Charnath. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you picnic table design ideas for year one inspiration. This video contains a collection of picnic table design ideas which you can easily copy and duplicate at your own workshop. You can pick your favorite design and try to make it at home or show it to your local workshop so that they can make one for you. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. A picnic table or picnic bench is a table with benches often attached designed for impromptu outdoor dining. The term is often specifically associated with rectangular tables having an A-frame structure. Such tables may be referred to as picnic tables even when used exclusively indoors. A picnic table or a picnic bench is a modified table with built-in benches on both sides. The picnic table's main purpose is for eating meals outdoors. While it's not documented when the first picnic table was used, legend has it as early as late 1800s. They were used in public gathering places throughout small towns. Originally, all picnic tables were made of cedar, pine, and other hardwoods. Over time, both the residential picnic tables and commercial picnic tables have been constructed from commercial-grade plastics, PVC, steel, aluminum, recycled materials, and plastic-coated metal. A common picnic table can be constructed using 2x4s or 2x6 hardwood and a standard stud size. To make picnic tables which last over time, wood sealers, stain, or traditional paint have been used before or after construction is completed. Since most hardwood will crack, warp, or rot, protecting the wood is paramount to extending the useful life of the picnic table. Traditionally, picnic tables have a simple construction plan. The tabletop and benchtop boards are attached to the trusses or beams using rust-proof wood screws or galvanized nails. The legs are typically secured by using commercial-grade carriage bolts fastened by nuts and washers. This helps make the overall frame of the table stable and solid so that it will stand up heavy outdoor usage. Various types of tables have been used for outdoor dining throughout history, but the classic A-frame rectangular picnic table emerged in the United States in the early 20th century. The earliest similar tables was described in 1903 and was based in the 18th century sawbuck table. The most common modern design, known initially as a Lassen table, was first used in 1926. While the original and most common material for picnic tables is wooden boards, they may be made from a great variety of materials, from split logs to concrete to recycled HDPE plastic. The frame, benches, and platform may also be made of different materials. Picnic tables may also be made in various shapes, from circles to hexagons, and in a wide range of sizes. Traditional picnic tables often pose challenges for accessibility, especially for wheelchair users, but various designs for accessible picnic tables also exist. The typically simple and informal design of picnic tables makes them popular in parks and other public places. They are used for a wide range of dining, educational, recreational, and community building purposes. The popularity has various impacts on the flora, fauna and soil around picnic table sites, where they often attract various species interested in feeding on humans or their food. Picnic tables are also common targets for human vandalism. Picnic tables emerged from the Victorian tradition of picnics, which often involved either simply spreading a blanket on the ground or bringing the whole apparatus of indoor dining to the outdoors. The early approach to picnicking suffered the drawback that indoor dining furniture could not be carried far from the home and was often unsuited to outdoor use. The first known modern picnic table was documented in 1903 patent application by Charles H. Nelson of Craterville, New York. Nelson's table was designed to be portable and collapsible so that picnickers could carry it wherever they wished. While the Nelson table design derived its leg structure from the 18th century sawbuck table, its built-in seating was innovative. With the rise of U.S. national parks and forests in the 20th century, the use of fixed picnic tables as a park amenity became increasingly common. In many cases, picnic tables were used specifically to restrict human impacts on the surrounding natural area, and were accordingly designed to be as heavy and immovable as possible. Initially, a variety of picnic table designs were attempted. A sawbuck table with detached benches was popular in the early 1920s, but proved unsatisfactory in public parks because the benches tended to disappear. Other designs failed because they were either structurally unsound or difficult to construct. The classic Airframe picnic table design, which overcame the early difficulties, originated at Laysan National Forest in California in 1926 and was accordingly known with the U.S. Forest Services as a Laysan table. The now iconic Laysan tables became common across the United States through the work of the Civilian Conservation Corps in the 1930s. The first known roadside picnic table was erected in 1929 in Boston Township, Michigan, using planks reclaimed from highway guardrails. When you look at the uses of picnic tables are used for dining, resting, crafts, and other activities. Picnic tables can be found outdoors in many public parks, residential backyards, rest areas, campgrounds, amusement parks, and many other places. Picnic tables are also used indoors when it is desired to have attached seating to tables. In urbanized environments, picnic tables are often used as street furniture and provide a convivial setting that can make it easier for neighborhood residents to interact with one another. In areas without adequate spaces, picnic tables placed on people's front yards have been used to similar effect. Picnic tables are also used to provide informal outdoor dining for food trucks and other small restaurants that lack indoor seating. Picnic tables are widely used in outdoor learning because they provide convenient combination of seating and a flat work surface. They have also shaped the outdoor educational profession. When you look at the materials from which picnic tables are constructed, The materials used for picnic tables have varied over time. A 1969 survey found that at that time 95% of picnic tables contained wood to some extent, and 81% of picnic tables were made entirely of wood. Modern tables are increasingly often made from plastic, concrete, or metal. In addition, a combination of fiberglass and metal has sometimes been used. When we look at wood as a picnic table material, wooden tables are most commonly constructed using lumber boards. Protection for the wood with a stain, paint, or wood protectant that repels water is necessary to protect it from cracking, warping, or rotting due to moisture. The tabletop and benchtop boards are attached to the trusses or beams using wood screws or nails. The legs can be secured with carriage bolts fastened by nuts and washers. When we look at stone or concrete as construction material for picnic tables, a stone or concrete picnic tables are durable but expensive. They are difficult or impossible to move, which may be a drawback in some contexts and an advantage in others. Such tables first came into widespread use in the United States in 1930s as part of civilian conservation projects. However, stone tables proved unsatisfactory because they could not be moved even when the entire picnic site needed to be shifted from one location to another. Plastic. Plastic picnic tables have grown in popularity because they are lighter, more durable, and less expensive than wooden tables and require less maintenance. A common source for plastic lumber in picnic tables is recycled HDPE, which may be mixed with other materials such as wood floor for improved strength. Metal picnic tables. Metal picnic tables are becoming more popular in public parks because they are heavy and durable and require little maintenance. Metal tables are sometimes attached onto concrete parts when theft is a concern. Thermoplastic coated steel is often used for improved durability in outdoor applications. In addition, heavy-duty metal picnic tables are often used for indoor applications in prisons. Design of picnic tables. Under the design section, we will look at the shapes and sizes of picnic tables. Shapes. The most traditional and common picnic table shape is rectangular, with a straight bench on each side of the rectangle's two long edges. In the United States, this sort of rectangular picnic table is so closely associated with picnicking that it is a symbol used for picnic sites and picnic shelters under the Manual on Uniform Traffic Control Devices. However, many different shapes, including circular, hexagonal, and octagonal designs, have also been used for picnic tables. Circular and octagonal picnic tables became popular because of their superior properties for playing card games. Picnic table sizes. A typical picnic table sits from 6 to 8 people, though smaller and larger capacity tables do exist. In particular, smaller picnic tables are often made for use by children. For rectangular picnic tables used in parks, the most common length is from 6 to 8 feet or from 1.8 to 2.4 meters. Well, as you can see in the video, there are various design types, materials of construction, and seating arrangements. You can use, or you can choose whatever is suitable for your specific location, for your specific situation, for your specific number of family members, and so on. Some of these designs, they have their own dimensions, so you can directly copy and use those dimensions. Some of the designs, they don't have their own dimensions, but you can tinker around and fix your own dimensions which is suitable for your condition. But overall, the compilation, we hope that this compilation gives you a good idea and becomes very inspiring for you to tackle this project. If you have done any of these projects, we hope to hear from you in the comments section. Please give us your comments, your suggestions. Also, if you need anything, if you want plans for any projects, you can ask us. We will search for it. We will dig out and compile different designs for you. As you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of picnic table design ideas for your inspiration. As you know by now, our channel is full of these different design ideas, different construction techniques for your inspiration and for your workshop project. If you like such content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. We would love to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.